Hey, what does this thing cost? Yo! That was weird. Today, RB5K. My man, how are you? RBK, you know what we're doing today?
What?
We're gonna go ride Harley Davidsons.
What?
That's right, let's go. I feel like the bike's running good today. Look at that dude, texting on the job. Get to flipping, son. Come on, show us a trick. Flip her around. Throw it in the air. Or just text. All right. You're fired. You're fired. Not everybody can be a star. I want to take this opportunity to thank all the patrons of the channel. You guys mean the world to me. Helps out so much. Your name's on the screen right here. You're the best. And if your name isn't on the screen, become a Patreon. It's fun. All the cool kids are doing it. Yes, today we're riding Harley Davidsons. A few months back, Huntington Beach Harley Davidson reached out to me and invited me down to go ride some bikes. They hooked me up with their sales dude, Ryan, to kind of tour us around. Well, he's no longer at Huntington Beach Harley. Now he's at California Harley. And he reached out and he said, come on down, man. Let's go on another ride. We'll get some lunch. He said the magic word, lunch. So I called Randy up and I said, let's go. Let's go ride these bikes again. So Ryan's gonna take us around a little bit. I don't know what we're gonna ride yet. He said we could ride whatever we want. And Ryan said he's gonna surprise us with another lunch spot. The last time we rode with Ryan, we tasked him to find a suitable lunch spot, something that he liked. And he took us to Lupe's, which is a place that I've featured on this channel before. So he hit the jackpot on it. It was one of the best burritos ever, Lupe's. But yeah, we had a good time with Ryan, so we figured we'd come on down and help him out a little bit. I have no affiliation with Harley Davidson whatsoever. They're not sponsoring the video or anything. We're just going because I thought it'd be something interesting to do that we don't do that often on this channel. Now, with that being said, I am partnered with Chaparral Moto out in San Bernardino. They don't sell Harley Davidsons, so if you guys are in the market for any other motorcycle on the planet, Chaparral probably has it. That place is huge. Today, RBK is riding his beautiful Panigale. Of course, I'm on the trusty old GSX-R 750 shitbox. GPS hadn't said anything to me for like 20 minutes. What's up, man? Out of here, Prius. I love that car right there. That thing's awesome. That's a cool color right there. Haha, look at this, dude. Yeah. Yeah. That one's sick too. Yeah. That one's got too many windows for me. California street bands. Alright. It's cool to come across other people that are passionate about shit. Remember back in the day when it used to be Harleys versus sport bikes? I do. I don't feel like it's like that anymore. Maybe it is. I don't know. It seems like all genres of bikes kind of get along these days. I took the wrong freeway. I'm stupid. You guys know that, though. Best wrong turn I ever took, man. That was easy on, easy off. Wait, I said that wrong. That was easy off, easy on, easy off, easy off, easy on. Whatever. You get the idea. It was a fun on-ramp, off-ramp, off-ramp, on-ramp. Oh, come on. We should point this guy to the airport. It's a big old wing. He's going to LAX, which is that way. Whoa! That hurt. Look at this thing, it's all falling apart. It's a quality car. Yeah. sleeping, son. What? Are you kidding me? Oh, horse of the street. Makes no sense. All right, I see it. Here we go. Harley Davidson. You think we have to park here, or do you think we can squeeze up there?
Oh, we can park up there.
Yeah, let's go up there. Ryan, my man.
Hello.
Good to see you again, sir.
Yes, sir.
Where are we at now? California Harley Davidson?
California Harley Davidson.
All right, so what are we riding today?
For you, we got the Road Glide Special. For Randy, we got the Street Glide Special.
We're both special. You're going to take us on like an 11-mile loop?
Yep.
And we're going to stop and get some food.
Right.
You got something already picked out?
I got something in mind.
Right on, man. Holy shit. Let's take a look at this thing. Vroom, vroom. Dude, this is a big bike for me to be ripping around in traffic. Holy shit, it's so heavy.
Yeah.
Big boy right here. I feel like I'm driving a bus. What am I doing? This is a freeway bike, man. It's like stopping a bus, too.
Gotta let me know.
Oh shit! How do I turn the hazards off? There we go. The other dude behind us has a GoPro with a microphone connected to it onto his helmet. I don't know what that's all about, man. I know where we're at, actually. On the other side of this hill, I think that's Palos Verdes, right? When R.S.M Rides lived in Long Beach, he was always in Palos Verdes. In fact, we had this little rock that everybody signed, and then somebody stole it. This thing, I bet this thing costs more than a Prius. I bet it weighs as much. Hey, what does this thing cost? Yo! That was weird. Oh, that's the club! I've never been so trolled in my life. Randy, you were in on it.
Oh my god, I freaked out when you said something to me. I was like, what do I do? I gotta go.
I didn't know it was you.
What's up?
Good to see you.
Oh my god, I miss you, man.
RBK, were you in on this? Of course he was.
Hey, he's the facilitator, you know? He came up with the idea and he started.
When did you get here?
I just showed up. I got here yesterday.
No shit.
Yeah.
What a surprise. That's so fun.
Oh, dude, so when did you know it was me? Like, when? I need to know.
When you pulled that thing out. I thought it was just like some fan that worked at the dealer and wanted to tag along. Dude, I swear to God, that's what I thought. When you pulled in and you grabbed that, I was like, that's a Kleb move. And then it was you.
Oh my god.
I thought you knew. I turned around and you gave me this look like.
Yeah, you kept looking at me. Every time I stopped and like we stopped next to each other, you looked at me, so I was like, but...
No, I was trying not to look at you because I didn't want to be on your camera. But now I'll be on your camera.
You're gonna be on the camera.
Dude, I love this. This is like the best surprise I've had in ever.
Yeah.
Well, when I was at his house earlier, he's like, hey, guess what? And I go, what? He goes, Caleb's coming in Monday. Oh, really?
You were in on it too? Now I feel like I have to buy a motorcycle from you. That's when I knew it was you, when you pulled that out. And the way that you like move it with it, it was like, that's Caleb. All right, dude, we got to do some drinking tonight.
Yeah, dude.
Dude, thanks for that.
Of course.
The Brakes work so good. I'm not really talking about the bike much. Kind of taken aback here by these new developments of today's adventures. We got the Clabby. He's got stupid gloves on and everything. Did you learn that in the Marines? That place is good. It's got a couple of carne asada tacos. Excellent. You got the Colorado burrito wet?
Yeah.
Was it good?
It was awesome.
I might have liked it even better than Lupe's, to be honest.
It's a 9.6.
9.6 on the Richter scale.
There we go.
Year he was born. Get out of my way, Prius! Oh, this thing's quick. And this is probably the best test ride I ever had for a lot of different reasons. Ryan's great. If you guys want to buy a Harley, buy it from him, dude. He was in on this whole club surprise thing. That was cool.
Thanks for coming down, guys.
Hey, I got a duck and a stick in my backpack.
I want to thank everybody involved in making today happen. RB5K and Ryan, Claire, it's a fun day. Super fun day. So if you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. More love to the patrons of the channel. Thank you. If you aren't aware yet, I do have a second channel. It's all dirt bike stuff. We have a good time. Check out my website at suburbandelinquent.com. Always updating the site. Please support the channel partners: Voss Helmets, law offices of Henry Haddad, Chaparral Moto, and LUIMOTO. All I ask, you guys are in the market for any of their services or products, consider them first. Support the companies, support the channel. What? Are you kidding me? Oh, horse of the street. It makes no sense.